In today's video, I'll teach you how to change class name in Google Classroom. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. After you do that, click on the search bar and type in classroom.google.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Google Classroom. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Now in the home interface, you'll be able to see the class that you've created right over here. So if you want to edit its name, what you have to do is click on the three dots that you can see on the classroom that you want to change the name of. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find four options over here. Click on this option, edit. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to edit the class. So if you want to change the class name, click on the field of class name. Now erase the initial name. Now what you have to do is enter the new name over here. After you do that, click on this option save that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the name of the class has been changed. So that is how you change class name in Google Classroom. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.